This tree here is a Canada plum. When I got this tree, it was badly misshapen. It was the last one available at the store. So I've pruned off a bad section of it. Hopefully it'll straighten up. You can see how many flowers are on here. I think I'll prune this a little bit further to give it a bit more shape. And then hopefully I'll get lots of fruit so that I can start propagating these things. And this is the flowering first week of May, so you can get a sense of the timing. The service berries are flowering right now too. So here's a service berry over here. This little tree is a pin cherry, and you can see it's not quite as advanced in its flowers as the Canada plum. These ones are only just now starting to open. The choke cherries and the black cherries will flower much later. This is another pin cherry, and you can see the flowers are also only just now opening. What's amazing is that such a little tiny tree, only a couple years old, is already putting out this many flowers. Here's a third example of a pin cherry. And all three of these pin cherries were planted bare root back late spring last year. So it gives an example of how early these things can start to put out a little bit of fruit. In contrast, this is choke cherry, and you can see the flowers are starting to form, but they're still a long way away from opening.